the goat milking bucket first. You'll see that the bucket lid has a gasket on the inside. It's important to make sure that's in there. Also, it's important to make sure that this pulsator is on the lid properly. So you want to loosen up this nut and push on the pulsator to make sure that it's on the adapter all the way. Then you can tighten up this nut again. We can do a quick test just to make sure everything's working okay before we start. It's very simple. We just put the lid on the bucket, raise the handle, and connect your vacuum line to the back of the pulsator. Now if we cover the port where the milk would normally go in, and cover the port where the vacuum hose is normally connected, the pulsator should just run just like this on the bucket. This tells you that the pulsator is working properly and there's no problems with the bucket. So let's connect the goat twister. So simply connect the milk line, and we connect the vacuum line for the pulsation. And then the machine will start pulsating and it's ready to milk. On these goat liners, they simply get put on the goat's teats, and then when the teat is in there, it will suck straight to the teat and start milking. When you take the teat out, it will stop the milking action. And that's it for these. They're very simple. I do want to talk just a little bit about these two little pins on these 205s. There are two small wash pins here that can be pushed into the down position or into the up position. And as you can hear, when you push them in the down position, it allows air to go in. That's during the wash, so during the wash cycle, the water will continue to flow. So these will always be in the up position for when you're milking, and then when you want to wash by throwing these in a bucket of soapy water, you will push these pins down.